Hello friends, for today's trading I have selected only one stock and that is Wipro. But before starting video, I want to tell you that this video is only for educational and learning purposes. There is no recommendation for any stock from my side. So the sole motto of this channel or this video is that we should learn the price action and we can trade together and we can become financially independent. So this is the motto of this video and channel. So try to learn the analysis part because this is the only thing we are in control. Result is not in our hand. So let's start the video. So first I will tell you reason behind selecting this stock and the analysis, the trade that I have done, result of that trade, and one more interesting thing that I will tell you today because there are some interesting phenomenon that has occurred when I was in a trade uh, in Wipro, and then I will share you the learning lesson that I have learned from this stock today. So first part, the main reason for selecting this stock is its dominant pressure. Dominant pressure means who are in control. That means in 5 minute time frame, either buyer or seller who is in control. Price is in control of buying as of now. You can clearly see from 11th October trend has been changed, and even on Friday I have also traded this stock, and at that day, yes, I have bought this stock on 652.15 and I was exited from on 658. So I think on that day the trend was started. So overall, basically, dominating pressure in this stock is buying. Price was trading in a range. At the same time, this level 666 was tested multiple times by this price here, and let me zoom out this stock. You can clearly see here also. Price has tested this level on 9th, and yes, on 9th itself two times on 9th November. So there are, I think, more than 6 touch points for a single price level. So this price has become very weak, this level has become very weak, and as soon as the price has started trading in a range near about this price level, then we can expect a breakout in the upward direction. So this stock came in my watch list on yesterday evening when I was actually scanning that which stock I should trade tomorrow. At that time, this stock was here, just yeah, very close, or it is in a demand zone already. You can clearly see a buildup was created on 12th number. Again, it was tested, and again the price after testing 666, again price came over here. So a very nice hammer pattern was formed. Those who are very risky trader have already taken position when this particular 915 candle was formed, because it has clearly shown that buyers are entered in this stock. So those who have entered over here, they have already booked their position when the breakout came. So but I am a conservative trader, so I always wait for reconfirmation. So price was started creating higher highs. You can clearly see this is first high, this is second high, and again it came for testing previous high. So I have entered when this buildup was created and retested. You can clearly see. I always look for reconfirmation. Because of that, my accuracy has been improved. So this buildup, price moved up, again came for retesting, and this is the place where I have entered. And as soon as the price was started facing resistance, I actually exited over here. Why? Yes. So reason for selection, analysis, and the result is that I have booked profit in this stock, and a great escape. You can say a great escape I have also actually done over here, because otherwise I have not booked loss, but there was a no loss, a no profit today in this stock. But as a current market trend, I was actually aware that the price, if the price will not move, then I should exit whatever the profit that market is giving to me. So as soon as this high was created, till here I was very confident that price will move upward. But again it came over here and started giving creating some kind of build up. And as soon as this lower high is created, if this high was again higher than this high, then there is an indication that buyer is still interested. But this lower high creation has indicated that now the buying power has been exhausted over here, so we should book the profit over here. You can clearly see triple top, 1 2 3, and in more simple way I will show you head and shoulders pattern. Yes, you can clearly see first left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, and you can clearly see. So these are the actually indication that price has already given. So I just exited booking only 1:1.5 risk reward. So this is the analysis that, or the skill, or my trading experience that has saved me today. And yes, okay. As of now, stock is again came below 666, and this stock may be a good candidate for upcoming market to trade. So if you have the time, keep watching this stock for intraday trading. In at least it will give a good move in upcoming scenarios. So this is all about today's trading, friend. The lesson that I have learned, that even if you are going against the market, but if you are very confident, you are going with the skill, and more importantly that you should have confidence on your skill, and that is the thing that will save you. Here market was in negative, but still I am going with long position. Why? Because I was very confident about my setup and about my study. So that has given me. But at the same time, market was also showing me that today I will not give you the profit that you are expecting. So indication was given over here. So I booked my profit and got out of this stock. So this is the learning lesson, friend. Please follow the process. Do not follow the result, because process will make your result much better. Thank you. Keep watching, keep trading. Thank you.